Did you know that Sri Lanka was once known as Serendib, which is the origin of the word serendipity? Now that's a fun fact to start our journey. Sri Lanka, a tropical island nation, is nestled in the heart of the Indian Ocean, just off the southern tip of India. This teardrop-shaped island is a treasure trove of natural beauty, rich culture, and a history that stretches back over 2,500 years. But let's rewind a bit. Before it was known as Sri Lanka, and even before it was called Ceylon, the island was known as Serendib. This name has its roots in the Arabic word serendib, used by Arab traders who were enchanted by the island's beauty. It's from this old name that we get the word serendipity, a term coined by the English author Horace Walpole, inspired by a Persian fairy tale about three princes from the island of Serendib who had a knack for making delightful discoveries by chance. And just like the princes of Serendib, a trip to Sri Lanka is sure to be filled with serendipitous discoveries. From the majestic peaks of its highlands to the golden beaches that fringe its coasts, Sri Lanka is a land of contrasts. It's a place where ancient Buddhist temples stand alongside bustling modern cities, where wild elephants roam free in national parks, and where time-honored traditions are preserved in the rhythms of daily life. But Sri Lanka isn't just about breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage. It's also a land of warm smiles and welcoming hearts. The island's people, known for their hospitality, are an integral part of the country's charm. They're the pulse of Sri Lanka, the rhythm that brings the island to life. And of course, there's the tantalizing Sri Lankan cuisine, a vibrant blend of flavors that reflects the island's rich cultural mosaic. From the fiery heat of the local curries to the sweet allure of the traditional desserts, Sri Lankan food is as diverse and delightful as the island itself. So buckle up as we embark on a serendipitous journey through the verdant landscapes and vibrant culture of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is often called the land of smiles, but what makes this island nation so cheerful? You might be wondering. Well, let's dive into the heart of this joyful island to find out. Sri Lanka's smiles are as warm as its tropical climate, radiating from the hearts of its people. The Sri Lankans are known for their friendliness and warmth, always ready to greet you with a radiant smile and a hearty Ayubawan, a traditional greeting wishing you a long life. This welcoming nature is interwoven in their daily life, making Sri Lanka a place where every visitor feels at home. But these smiles are not just skin deep. They represent the resilience and strength of the Sri Lankan people. Despite facing numerous adversities, from civil conflicts to natural disasters, they've emerged stronger with an undying spirit. Their smiles are a testament to their unwavering optimism and their belief in a brighter future. It's their way of showing that, no matter the hardships, they remain hopeful and joyous. In Sri Lanka, traditions run deep. From the time-honored rituals of the Kandiasala Perahera, one of Asia's most vibrant festivals, to the intricate steps of the Kandiyan dance, Sri Lankans hold their customs close to their hearts. These traditions are not just mere practices, but a celebration of their rich cultural heritage. They are the threads that weave the social fabric of the island, creating a tapestry of shared experiences and collective memories. This cultural richness is perhaps one of the reasons for their infectious warmth and hospitality. Sri Lanka's smiles are not just expressions of joy, but an embodiment of the country's spirit. They encapsulate the warmth, resilience, and deep-rooted traditions of this vibrant island nation. They are the reflection of its people's unwavering hospitality and their readiness to share their culture and heritage with the world. So, in Sri Lanka, you're never too far from a warm smile and a friendly hello. As you explore this island of smiles, you'll realize that every Sri Lankan smile is a story of resilience, tradition, and warmth waiting to be shared. Ever wondered where your favorite spices come from? Well, Sri Lanka might just be the answer. This charming island, also known as the Spice Island, has been a major player in the spice trade for centuries. Its rich, fertile soil and tropical climate make it an ideal place for a myriad of spices to thrive. But let's take a step back into history. The story of spices in Sri Lanka starts in ancient times. The island was a part of the historic Silk Road, a trade route that connected the East and West. Spices, among other goods, were exchanged, and Sri Lanka's position made it a bustling hub in the spice trade. This history has left a lasting impact, shaping Sri Lanka's culinary culture and making it a spice paradise. Now, let's talk about some of the key spices that define Sri Lanka. First up, we have cinnamon, a spice native to the island. Sri Lanka produces the world's best cinnamon, known for its sweet, delicate flavor. It's a key ingredient in many Sri Lankan dishes, adding a unique sweetness that sets them apart. Next on our list is pepper. Sri Lanka is known for its high-quality pepper, especially the black variety. It's used to season a wide range of dishes, from curries to stir-fries, adding a kick that Sri Lankan cuisine is known for. And we can't forget about nutmeg. This spice, with its warm, nutty flavor, is a staple in Sri Lankan cuisine. It adds depth to both sweet and savory dishes, and is often used in traditional medicine. These spices, and many more, are not just ingredients in Sri Lanka. They're a part of the country's identity, its history, and its culture. They influence everything from the food Sri Lankans eat to the traditions they observe. So, the next time you enjoy a spicy dish, remember, it might just have a little bit of Sri Lanka in it. Sri Lanka, a small island with a big heart, is also a nature lover's paradise. This is a place where the air is constantly filled with the scent of blooming flowers and the melodious chirping of vibrant winged creatures. The island is a treasure trove of nature's finest offerings, with a rich tapestry of ecosystems that are as diverse as they are beautiful. Picture this: lush rainforests that seem to stretch on forever, their canopies alive with a myriad of life forms. These are the lungs of Sri Lanka, breathing life into the island and its inhabitants. Each leaf, each vine, each towering tree is a testament to the island's enduring vitality. They're home to many endemic species, creatures that you won't find anywhere else on Earth. Imagine walking through dense forests, your path lit by the soft glow of fireflies, and the air echoing with the calls of nocturnal creatures. Or picture yourself standing at the edge of a serene lake, the water perfectly reflecting the sky above, disturbed only by the occasional ripple of a fishing bird diving for its meal. Now, let's take you to the coastline, where the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean gently lap against golden sands. Sri Lanka's beaches are a haven for marine life, with vibrant coral reefs teeming with a rainbow of fish. The beaches are also nesting grounds for endangered sea turtles, making Sri Lanka a crucial player in global conservation efforts. In the highlands, the landscape changes. Here, you'll find mist-shrouded mountains and emerald green tea plantations that offer a different kind of beauty. The cool air is a refreshing change from the tropical heat of the lowlands, and the panoramic views are simply breathtaking. Sri Lanka's biodiversity is a testament to its geographical location and varied ecosystems. From the smallest insect to the largest elephant, every creature plays a part in maintaining this delicate balance of life. So, whether you're a bird watcher, a beach bum, or a jungle explorer, Sri Lanka has something for every nature lover. This is a place that invites you to lose yourself in its beauty, to discover its secrets, and to fall in love with nature all over again. Sri Lanka, the land of beautiful women. But what makes them so special? As we delve deeper into the heart of Sri Lanka, we discover a treasure beyond its lush landscapes and enchanting wildlife. We find ourselves in the midst of a vibrant tapestry of women who embody the very essence of this island nation's charm. The beauty of Sri Lankan women is not confined to just their physical attributes. It is a beauty that emanates from within, a reflection of their strength, resilience, and grace. It's a beauty that tells tales of generations of women who have faced adversity, yet remained steadfast and unbroken. In this land, women are the backbone of society, playing vital roles both within the family and in the broader community. They are mothers, daughters, sisters, and wives, nurturing the next generation with love and wisdom. They are also leaders, entrepreneurs, artists, and scholars, driving the country's development and shaping its future. Sri Lankan women are the custodians of a rich cultural heritage, proudly carrying forward centuries-old traditions and customs. They are the weavers of intricate patterns on vibrant textiles, the dancers who tell stories through graceful movements, the singers whose melodies echo the island's rhythms. They are the farmers who till the land, the fisherwomen who brave the seas, the tea pluckers who ascend the misty hills at dawn. Their labor fuels the nation's economy. Their hands craft its identity. These women embody a unique blend of bravery and gentleness, tenacity and kindness, resilience and grace. They are the pillars of strength, the epitome of beauty, the heart of Sri Lanka. So, when you think of the land of beautiful women, remember Sri Lanka. Remember the women who are more than just pretty faces, the women who are pillars of their communities, the women who are the embodiment of strength, resilience, and grace. Remember the women who not only shape the present, but also envision a future that's filled with promise and potential. Remember the women who, with every sunrise, write new chapters in the annals of their island home. So, in Sri Lanka, beauty is more than just skin deep. Often referred to as the pearl of the Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka truly lives up to this title. It's a sentiment that echoes through the ages, a testament to the island's enchanting allure. Sri Lanka, a tiny island nation, is a treasure trove of natural and cultural wonders. Each corner of the country teems with a rich tapestry of history, culture, and nature, woven together in harmonious symphony. From its ancient cities to its stunning landscapes and vibrant festivals, Sri Lanka is a radiant gemstone set in the heart of the Indian Ocean. Let's step back in time and explore Sri Lanka's ancient cities. Anuradhapura, Polonnaruwa, and Sigiriya are testament to the island's rich history. These cities, with their ancient temples, towering stupas, and intricate carvings, are a window into a past filled with intrigue, devotion, and grandeur. Sri Lanka's landscapes are equally captivating. Imagine lush tea plantations rolling over misty hills, pristine beaches kissed by turquoise waters, and dense jungles echoing with the calls of exotic wildlife. These are not just scenes from a dream, but everyday vistas in Sri Lanka. The island's biodiversity is awe-inspiring, with a multitude of national parks and reserves protecting its unique flora and fauna. But what truly brings Sri Lanka to life are its vibrant festivals. The Asalaperahera in Kandy is a spectacle like no other, illuminating the night with a procession of elephants, dancers, and drummers. The Sinhala and Tamil New Year, a celebration of unity and renewal, fills the air with the sweet aroma of traditional delicacies and the joyous laughter of families. The pearl is a symbol of wisdom gained through experience. It's a beacon of light in the darkness, an embodiment of beauty and resilience. Sri Lanka, with its rich tapestry of experiences, its resilience in the face of adversity, and its radiant beauty, is indeed a pearl in the vast Indian Ocean. So, just like a pearl, Sri Lanka, too, is a gem worth discovering. As our serendipitous journey through Sri Lanka comes to an end, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've discovered. We've journeyed through a land where smiles are the universal language, a place that has earned its nickname as the Land of Smiles. We've dived into a culture that is as vibrant as the spices it is known for, unfolding the secrets of the Spice Island. And we've explored the breathtaking landscapes from misty mountains to sun-kissed beaches in nature's paradise. We've reveled in the beauty of its people, especially the women, whose grace and charm are as captivating as the island itself. And let's not forget our journey through the pearl of the Indian Ocean, where we've seen how this small island nation has made a significant impact on the world, be it through its tea, its gemstones, or its indomitable spirit. Sri Lanka, a place where ancient traditions and modernity coexist, where every corner turned leads to a new discovery, and where the warmth of its people is as inviting as its tropical climate. This is a land that dances to the rhythm of its own drum, a land that captivates and enchants, a land that invites you to lose yourself in its beauty and find yourself in its charm. In our journey, we've only scratched the surface of what Sri Lanka has to offer. There's so much more to discover, so many more stories to be told, so many more experiences to be had. From the serenity of its Buddhist temples to the hustle and bustle of its city streets, from the quiet beauty of its rural landscapes to the vibrant life of its urban centers, Sri Lanka is a land of contrasts, a land of surprises, a land of serendipity. So, as we close this chapter, remember that every journey is a story, and every story is a journey. And in Sri Lanka, you're sure to find a story that's worth telling, a journey that's worth embarking on, a land that's worth exploring. So, when are you planning your own serendipitous journey to the enchanting island of Sri Lanka?